Do you know what this is? I read on the internet that the health benefit of this product, man, it's over the roof. We should try it sometime. Let us experience the benefit that they are talking about. My friends, good morning. I hope we're all doing okay. I am doing some grated avocado seed. I read someplace that it has a lot of health benefits. So I'm gonna grate the avocado seed and put it to dry. I have brought out my big grater. This one has been with me many years, maybe more than 30 years. So this is brought out when we have serious, very serious business to do. So it's just a quick video. I'm gonna grate my avocado seed and then we'll put it to dry. I have never had avocado tea or hot beverage before, so I will still have to maybe get used to it, but I am starting. All right, healthy life. I have split the avocado seed in two. I'd already washed them and have them dried out, so this is what it is. I have never done it before, so yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult. I don't know whether it could be blended. I really don't know, so I am just following what they say to do. And in the meantime, I'll have my coffee. Yeah, it's coming along. We're not gonna do all of it on video. Here it is. I have an amount. This I will now put to dry for further use. There is a lot of information about the health benefits of avocado and avocado seed on the internet. Yeah, we can go and do further research, and I am encouraging you now to go and do some research of your own, because the amount of benefits that are there, I wonder, why are we not benefiting from our avocado seed? We tend to just throw them outside. So let us stop doing that. Because articles suggest that this avocado seed can help with many things, including infertility, hypertension, diabetes. Yeah, so it is important that we make use of this avocado seed. But up front on the benefit here is the antioxidant property that it has. So this is very, very important, yeah, for the immune system. Research say now when we have this dry avocado, now this grated product that the moisture has been removed from, yeah man, then we can use it to make whatever hot beverage we want. It just like how we'd make any other hot beverage from leaves or barks or seeds. It should be brewed or boiled. The researchers have suggested that we should include some ginger in the brew. Yeah, so when we are finished boiling or brewing this mixture of ginger and avocado seed, then we should strain it. Having strained it, we add lemon juice or lime juice to it. This would be good for the immune system. Here in this video, I am not giving medical advice. This information was gathered from sources on the internet. So I'm just presenting some information from research that was already done. I am not giving medical advice. But suffice it to say that we can do our research and to benefit from the research that has already been done. Yes, because when it comes to infertility and hypertension and diabetes, these are some of the illnesses that it is suggesting that the avocado seed will be a good portion from. Yeah, so let us be smart. Let us do our own research, see what works for us, and start on our journey of wellness and well-being and a healthy life. My name is June, sending you love from Jamaica.